Here is the face recognition system implemented on Python programming language. In this system you can save your images, train the images, and track the images anytime in a live stream. This is a real-time face recognition attendance based system implemented for a professional college. So we can run it and test its accuracy. Here is the GUI. We can enter the student ID. I have also implemented the student ID before, but I am saving the same ID with a different name. Now this button is to track 60, it takes 60 images and to save it in database. It is continuously taking the images. After taking the image, we have to train the images. As you can see in the notification button, images are trained. Now at the final end, we have to track the images. The track button opens a live stream which can run 24 hours to recognize and mark the attendance. Now it is recognizing with the given code 6798 and the name. It takes only less than 1 second to recognize, and it is marking the attendance with the name, ID, date and time. Also we can have the activity of attendance in the Excel file. As you can see in the database, the face recognition as attendance system and the attendance folder. Here is the attendance of today's date. The person who is entered into the database is shown here with his name, ID, date and time. This is a real-time face recognition attendance based system. It can be connected to a live website with the help of SQL database, phpMyAdmin and a web page. That's all. You can implement it by yourself. We have used the HAR Cascade frontal face feature, and the speed is robust with the help of Core i3 or Core i5 processor. Thank you.